Before we continue, let me just quickly organize these geometry containers in proper hierarchies. So I will just add a null. And this is going to be my Blitzball parent null, okay, which will always be in the center. And now let's select this one and say it's a sphere. Let's connect this one and say spikes. Let's select this one and say mini spheres and just connect. So now how this stands is that this is your parent, while this is a child of this parent, and this is a child of this parent, and this is a child of this parent. So if we would like to put or make hierarchy a bit differently, and let's say we want to make, I don't know, let's say I want to make this parent, and this would be a child, and then this would be child of this parent. So it's a bit confusing, but it would look like this. Okay, so now this is a parent of these children objects. Then this is a parent of these two children objects, and then this is a parent of these of this object. Okay. So, and in this case again, we only have one parent, which is that Blitzball null. And I will show you later when we start rendering in the scene graph how actually this looks like, because it behaves exactly how you would expect, like in Cinema or Maya. The hierarchy works the same in this case, like parent-child relationships. Okay, I believe that would be all for this video. See you in the next one.